Come on, guys. This is for Big Daddy, number 16. Number 7? Oh, 4, my bad. Oh, dogger.
Yeah, can't be too savage.
Right. And what's your name?
Yeah. Look at that. What'd you get? You get one? Huh?
All right, Mr. Andy Russell is up. Sam Vellis in your side-by-sides on deck. I believe that's going to do it. All right, Mr. Sam Vellis. Y'all make some noise for him. All right, here we go. This is Mr. Mason Williford. Up. He's up and out. That's a DQ. Hey, y'all make some noise for Mason. That's it. That is it. Y'all make some noise for Mason. Let him know you appreciate his efforts here today. Come on, Robbie. He said that's it. And it burst on him. Hey, I hope them seats stay clean. All right, if you look on the side of this thing, on the doors, it says Team David. That tells you he is doing this for Mr. David Johnston. So y'all make plenty of noise and help this fella out. Here we go. Devin Johnston right here. He said that's gonna do it right there, fellers. He's got some forward momentum now. There you go. Come on, JT. Come on, buddy. Y'all make some noise. Help him out a little bit. moving, he's still moving. All right, he said, let's call it. Y'all make some noise for his efforts. Let him know you appreciate it. He's just gonna hit it hard and see it. I don't know if that's gonna work. Hey, you both go that way, Jay. Don't turn around and come back this way. Four-wheel drive ain't working. He's only in two-wheel drive. All right, y'all help Jay out. Here we go. Come on, Jay. Come on, buddy. I think that's it. He said that's it, boys. Hey, Chris, hang on, bud. Hang on. Whoa.
Broken axle.
I think they got the axle.
No ropes around the wheel. It's broke already? Yeah.
All right. Hey, y'all make some noise. Let him know you appreciate his efforts here.
Don't take it over. It's wrapped up. It's wrapped up. It's back around.
All right, y'all make some noise. Mr. Terry Bird right here. Come on, Terry, come on. He's pounding that wheel left and right. Come on, Terry.
That's good shit right there.
Daddy, I got more of it than you did.
All right. They're going to get him pulled back. Make some noise. Help him out. He said he got to get rid of them flip-flops. As long as you got forward momentum. No, you can't get off the bike. You gotta be on the bike. With your britches on. Keep your britches on. He said that's gonna do it right there.
Hey, he did first anyway.
Huh?
He did first anyway. That'll make it a little worse for the next guy.
Hey, y'all make some noise. He said that's it. He said that's it. That's a new number one right there. That's a new number one right there, Tyler Richardson. Devin Emmett, here he goes. And there he went. Just like that. Hey, he started out like a thoroughbred and ended up like a Shetland pony.
There he went. There he fucking went.
Hey, it's good effort though, Devin. Make some noise for Brooklyn. 8 years old right here. 8 years old. Come on, Brooklyn, come on. Rock it, Brooklyn. She's trying. I think that's gonna do it. No, she's not done yet. Hang on. All right, that's gonna do it right there for Miss Brooklyn. 8 years old. I think that right there likes the mud. Now y'all make some noise for me. Get over to it right here. Come on. Hey, that's it right there. Hey, that's it. You gotta be shut out. That's it.
Hell, you damn near got it, man.
All right, y'all make some noise. Hey! What you doing? Right there. All right, that does it for it. Y'all scoot in just a little bit. It may be to where you have to start out behind somebody. But here's the deal. You got to stay in the pit. You cannot come out. The first one to make it to the end down there, Miss Sherry said they get $200. Do I have an NTR official down there? NTR official? I need an official on the far end. Chicken's down, okay. All right, buddy. You the man, okay? Hey, now, ladies, I want y'all, that fella right there with his arm up. When he drops his arm, you go, and not a second before. Everybody ready? Everybody ready right here? They're ready, chicken. Hey, all you guys, are you ready? Okay, watch Chicken's arm down there when it drops. You guys take off, Chicken, they're ready.
What's up? Holy shit. That was crazy, dude. Dude was hydroplaning. Just skimming across there. That was awesome.